how to create a linking menu on Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link into your menu or navigation bar at the header of your Wix Studio website. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to see the site's dashboard. Once you have seen that, what we're going to do basically is to take a look for the websites that we have and select only the built on Wix Studio labeled websites, as you can see, like this one or like this one. If you do not have a Wix Studio built in or built on this editor website, you can go ahead and click on create a new site. And from here, you're going basically to try Wix Studio by clicking on the blue button right there. Now I'm going to select and edit the site, wait for the dashboard to load up, and we're going to make sure that we're going to click on edit or design site that we're going to find on the setup or home page. It is going to be the same. You're going to find the same button in here. When you click on it, it is going to load up your website just like that. Now we have our fully loaded website. Now where we're going to modify or add or head over is the header. So as you can see, the header is going to contain the logo, the card, the login bar, and also the horizontal menu or the menu bar. So I can go ahead and manage the menu by clicking on manage menu. And as you can see, we have some links or some pages. The links are going to be some kind of bound chains, just like that. This as you can see, the 4 items from the women to the men accessories and sale are going to be links because of the bound, as you can see, chains. We can add a chain or the link by clicking on add item. We're going to have here 5 elements: main pages, dynamic and app pages, link, submenu, and mega menu. We're going to focus on link. Click on link. And from the link, you're going to select where this link is going to take you in. So either it is going to take you to a web address, a page, or something like that. So as you can see, we are going to have mail or email, phone number, lightbox, document, and etc. Also, it is going to be possible to open that link in a new window or the current window if you want. You can also have the SEO settings for the values. What should it be? So I'm going basically here to put maybe a external URL, or maybe you can go ahead and put the link for a specific anchor, a top or bottom of the page, or a page itself. So I'm going to maybe have the website address only. So what can we do in here is maybe I'm going to have this specific link. I'm going to paste it in here, click on done, and you're going to put the link name in here. So we are going to have something like here, Wix. We're going to enter it. As you can see, it is going to take us to an external page. So that is going to be an external page. So I'm going to maybe change the link on the current window, and it is going to be still in here. So it doesn't matter for the logo or the favicon of it, but it is going to have the same purpose. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.